How to feed babies banana during baby-led weaning? Babies tend to love bananas, which, when ripe, are an ideal texture for new eaters. There are many simple ways to serve babies banana as a finger food during baby-led feeding, and bananas also work well for babies when served mashed or pureed on a preloaded spoon or used as an ingredient in mixed dishes. In this video, we'll explore the nutrition-related benefits of bananas for babies, baby-friendly ways to prepare bananas, and recipes for babies and toddlers that include bananas. When can babies eat bananas? Doctors recommend that you give your child bananas at the age of 6 months, right around the time he starts eating semi-solids. A small banana per day for a 6-month-old baby is ideal. Initially start by feeding 2 teaspoons of mashed banana before moving on to other ways of serving them. Nutrition. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, fiber and carbohydrate, and are a good way to get vitamin B6, magnesium and vitamin C. How to serve banana to babies. There are a handful of ways to offer fresh bananas to baby that may depend on baby's age and your comfort level with the style of feeding you're doing. You can serve bananas to baby in the following ways. Banana puree. Classic banana puree is made by pureeing ripe banana in a blender until very smooth. This is an easy and delicious baby food option for babies in the stage 1 baby food phase, or typically around age 6 months. You can progressively puree it less smooth so baby can adjust to a thicker texture or move to mashing with a fork. Baby cereal with banana and cinnamon. Add a little baby cereal and a pinch of cinnamon to the pureed banana for an effortless yet tasty meal. And your little baby will love it. Chunky banana puree. This is an easy-peasy way to expose your baby to small chunks of food that you can control the size of. Place the banana on a cutting board and mash it with the back of a fork until mashed but still chunky. Spoon into a baby bowl and serve. This yummy recipe is perfect as a stage 3 puree to get your baby ready for finger foods. You can also serve this when you think your baby is ready to try self-feeding. Bananas broken into chunks. When you break the banana up into chunks instead of cutting with a knife, the chunks will not be as slippery, and your baby will have an easier time holding onto them. If your baby is getting frustrated trying to pick up the pieces of slippery banana, hand them the banana chunks and let them continue feeding themselves. Handheld banana. This handheld version of a banana is an ideal way for your baby to have a handle for the banana as they eat the other end. Strips of banana rolled in hemp seeds. This recipe is a fun way to let your baby explore different textures and tastes. You can roll strips of banana in hemp seeds, crushed Cheerios, puffs, or breadcrumbs. Banana smoothie. This simple smoothie is perfect for babies that are drinking from a sippy or baby cup. It is filled with banana, ice, and a small amount of formula or breast milk. Place a banana, a couple of ice cubes, and 1/4 cup of liquid into a blender. You can add in a pinch of cinnamon or half teaspoon of nut butter in there as well if you want. Blend until the texture is just right. You don't want it too thick, or your baby might have a hard time drinking it. Transfer to a sippy or baby cup and serve. Easy banana pancakes. Banana pancakes are the perfect food to have on hand if you are doing baby-led weaning, as you can serve them plain or with a smear of cream cheese, avocado, or nut butter on top. In a medium bowl, mix mashed banana, an egg, and whole wheat flour. Cook as you would any pancake and serve. These 3-ingredient pancakes are great for babies, toddlers, as well as kids. How much banana can a baby eat? A baby's appetite should be trusted, so baby can have as much banana as you have to offer and they are interested in unless there is an adverse effect. Start with offering a smaller portion to avoid food waste. And allow more as baby cues.